this boy, there he goes. Right, we're going to like
the rocket ship.
We're going to nail it past
5713.
Yeah.
Next edition. In Blick. In Blick. Oh, we're riding the clutch a bit. We're off now.
Yeah. This is because I'm getting used to this. That's it. That's how it works. You've got to go that fast.
25k. Bye. Bye bye. Shit, I don't think I've ever been this fast on a tractor in the field. Let's have a look. Look at this.
Yeah, the faster you go, the better she works. So the ideal speed is between 10 and 19 miles an hour.
Wow.
Miles. So you can barely see where she's been, but she just sort of flicks the weeds out. She didn't do anything on the way in. It's got curved on the way in, it flicks on the way out.
I'm going to have to get some footage of this. Here comes Speedy Gonzales. That little Massey flies. If you see here, that machine's designed just to flick any weeds out. You can just see it's just flicked. I bet it's actually quite good for getting a chit. Look at that.